Welcome back to Dude Craft Guitars, and we said we were going to take care of this the fretboard on this one, so let's do that. At first I start out with some 320. What I'm doing is I'm getting really tight right up next to the fret. That's why I'm using the straight factory edge of the paper there. See there's a little Goomba right there? Now this is where I'm going to take that little roundover file. I'm just going to work it right up next to that. So once I get one side real tight to the frets, I'm going to work the other side. Now you might notice the edge of these fretboard, looks really sharp. It's not that it's not playable, but it's not boutique worthy. So we're going to take care of that. Now we're going to come back with the 600 and repeat. See, now I come over with this, and now I'm scraping the back. And the reason I'm doing that is because the customer doesn't want all that poly on the back of the playing area of the neck. And quite frankly, I don't like it that much either. Now, we move ourselves over to the pads. I'm going to take this 300 and just kind of... Okay, so this is a scuff pad of about 800. And that's where I'm going to stop, and now we're going to add some oil. Good old True Oil. There are other products you can get. Some are made specifically for guitars, but I know a lot of guitar builders and guitar players that would rather use this. See how I'm going kind of a circular motion? This is what's going to diffuse any of those vertical scratch marks. Now I take that rag, lay it out, let it dry that way. Don't wad your rags up with oil in it. Any thing that includes varnish or boiled linseed oil can heat up and ignite that little rag. So don't throw it in a can. Just let it lay out while it dries. And when it's nice and crispy, then throw it away. And then I'm going to take some baby oil. Now this baby oil is mineral oil, and I've mixed it 50% mineral oil and a little bit of mineral spirits. And what that does, that just loosens everything up, cleans the frets back off, gets everything nice and shiny again. Take a dry towel or two. Okay, now that I've done that, now I'm going to hit it again with the buffer. And this I'm just going to put on 4 mode. So if you like this content and you like what's going on here at Dude Craft Guitars, please click the like and subscribe button. Ring that bell if you want to see more stuff. If you got friends that you think might like to see this stuff, please share. I do appreciate it. And of course, this is what we're going to do. And I appreciate you guys thinking you a lot. And I'm blah, 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 blah. Thanks again for tuning into Dude Craft Guitars.